Located between Atlanta and Columbus, Georgia, just minutes north of Callaway Gardens and Pine Mountain, on Georgia Highway 18 in Meriwether County, you'll find this pristine 237.5 acre country property owned by the same family for over 32 years and used solely for recreation, hunting, fishing, swimming, hiking, family gatherings, and enjoyment. Central to this very special property's allure is the presence of a 22-acre James Lake, which branches off in several directions and is distinguished in aerial photos by its distinctive headless fish shape. Fed by a natural spring and 2 creeks, this picturesque lake was stocked 36 years ago with bass and brim, and they have been growing and multiplying ever since. Just throw your line out and you are bound to catch one, and many trophy-sized bass have been caught over the years. Enjoy breathtaking panoramic 180-degree views from the 30-foot granite rock cliffs overlooking one cove, or enjoy a picnic lunch with your family from the adjacent cove with beach and picnic area. The property includes infrastructure already in place for a 56-site campground with water and electric service easily accessible. A large metal barn and modular homes are also adjacent to the campsite, just steps from over 1,500 linear feet of road frontage on Georgia Highway 18, which could be rezoned commercial where the access gate to the property is located. Over 100 years ago, there was a railroad that went through the center of this property to carry away the significant granite deposits this property still has. You'll see the granite boulders and raw ore in the ground along this vein. The rest of the property is a virtually untouched maze of trails, pasture, and rolling wooded land, loaded with hardwoods and pines that can be harvested for future income, as well as some pasture land, feeding fields for deer, where trophy bucks and wild turkey abound throughout this very special property.